bitch. You hear me? Got this other one, bro. Like I said, man, y'all ain't seen a lot of shit on my shit. I keep it original, but man, I got grips out there crazy on this one. Look at this other one, bro. This one for the top. Like I said, bro.
Wee, wee.
Look at all these attachments, bro. Let me see, I got that one. I got that one. I got that one. I got
This
that
one,
one.
he say this one look like that one look like this one.
Bro, I got all these attachments for the nine and shit, bro. You hear me? I can put rails on beams on all
Already
back.
work, already work. Make sure
I'm
you and
like,
Evan take it easy.
you hear me? We ain't playing no games. I got so many attachments, man. I don't shit. All these lasers and shit. Do you hear me?
Let me go. Let me put these earbuds in. So,
Look at lasers out the ass. Clips, bars. Get out my damn face, crazy ass. I got this other for this laser right here, y'all, for like a Glock. Got the Glock sights on the back. That be supposed to be at the top. Yeah, man, I got all type of
come on
equipment.
up.
Yeah, check that mud out, y'all. You hear me? You already know it's for a Glock. You see the Glock sights on it, front and back, and then with the laser at the tip. Yeah, some of that crazy shit. You hear me out for real? I got lasers, clips, tactical clips. I just ain't really put the shit on yet. Bars, some more grips for the 1911. Oh man, these right here the duals. Uh, for the magazine clips, whatever you want to call it, man. I got these. I got a shitload of these plates. Man, so I got a lot of red dot shit. Oh shit, I want to try to do this shit. Yeah, I got a lot of red dot plates. Like crazy. That's what I say, man. I just ain't just been still fucking with them. Yeah. But I got a lot of upgrades. Motherfuckers just ain't seen. Yeah, I got a lot of upgrades. I just gotta throw
Yeah,
them
my
on.
bad. My
Oh,
bad,
you
my
good?
bad, my bad. I had to was trying to make sure my earbuds was updating and shit.
Yeah, it is. That's why I say, bro, we got man, I got a lot of upgrades on shit. I just ain't really put the shit on there. Say I got them badass two connectors for the Glock for Glock mag.
A
And I got
couple of
I got bro, these hoes right here is good.
Oh man, you got a lot. Hey, I had one of them. I forgot which one I had, but I had a one of them conversion kits for the Glock to turn into like the little submachine gun.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about, bro. What's the name got one
The
Carson? He got one.
MCK, the
Yeah.
MCK kit.
Yep.
Yeah,
Carson got one.
I had one of them, but I had a pet peeve with my guns getting scratched. Like
Yeah. Up inside, yeah, I feel what you're saying.
yeah,
Cause it
and
stretches.
it'll be scratching. You know what I'm saying? Putting that wear on the slide, make it look like holster wear type shit.
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. I got, like I said, I got mounts and mounts of red dot shit. I just ain't been
Yeah,
fucking with.
you need
That's
to
why I said,
put me in the ball game, coach. I think I'm ready to play.
shit, we ready over here. That's why, like, man, I got, man, come on, upgrades, man. I just ain't do shit on shit. You hear me? I throw this bitch on there, man. What? It's going down.
Facts.
Put them back on them. Tactical clip,
What?
and then you go from the front to the back.
What?
Oh,
Can you get it?
okay,
Six
block
of
it.
them
Go,
the
oh,
bottles in a dry rack. Put it
yeah.
over.
18, 11, gang, gang.
1911 game 5-7